Hello there, welcome to Cyber Learning. In this video, I will show you how you can use Snapseed app. So for this, let's open the Snapseed app first. And after opening, here you will see the plus button. Click on it to add photo here. So as I click, the gallery is open. Now choose your photo that you want to edit. Now here you see there is all the effects that you can apply on your image. As you scroll left, you will see different effects here. Okay, the next thing is tools. So if I click on tools, there you will find all the tools. That is, you can crop image, you can rotate it, then you can expand it. Then we have brushes here, then you have almost all the apps here. So from here you can use a tool that is your requirement. Next, after using these tools, then click on export to export your photo here. So as I clicked on export, here you can save it or you can export it. So click on export to export your photo and then it will save to your gallery. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and do subscribe to Cyber Learning. Thank you for watching. Bye.